Snail.
A snail living. A snail not dying. A snail that is living. Ooh, look, it's growing. It's growing. Snails are so cool. He's moving.
Yep. He crawling fast too, huh?
Nope, crawling slow. Because that shell is very big and very heavy when they have something inside it. Can we have this? It looks so cute. Oh, it's going to the shell. Is that so? Hey, stop. Stop. Now you